Hey everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to be making for you one of my favorite, very simple but very tasty recipes. This is my lemon cheesecake protein smoothie. So Botanica Blends is my favorite brand of protein, and their lemon cheesecake flavor I just adore. It is so good on its own, it is so good in smoothies. This is not a paid ad, I'm just a vegan and I absolutely love Botanica Blends, so I wanted to share it with you. I'm using the Vitamix A3500 today. So I'm gonna start with 2 bananas. Bananas are a great breakfast food because of the complex carb, which means that it's going to release energy slowly throughout the day, so perfect for the morning. Now I'm gonna add in 1 cup of soy milk. So I've got the Bond soy here. So I'm gonna put in, a serve is 40 grams. So I don't have a scoop here, so I'm just gonna put in about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add in some fresh lemon as well, just to give it a real lemon kick. I'm gonna take some of these seeds out, just squeeze in some juice. So the vitamin C in citrus fruit helps your body absorb iron. So this is a great recipe to be adding in some extra spinach to give your body a little hit of iron. And then I'm just gonna add some ice in. I'm gonna add in, that's about a cup, and then lock my lid into place. So I'm going to be using the trusty pre-program function. We've got one right here for smoothies. So if you don't have that, it is 50 seconds. So it's gonna turn on and switch off all by itself. It's that easy. Oh, that smells so good. Let's serve that out. The smell is so strong. Perfect, absolutely delicious. I hope you try it. I hope you love it. As always, happy blending.